the key to a healthy lifestyle for models and actors. Being a model or actor often means maintaining a demanding schedule, but prioritizing a healthy lifestyle is crucial for both success and well-being. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to achieve and sustain a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Maintaining a balanced diet. A balanced diet is the cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle, especially for models and actors who need sustained energy and stamina. Focus on incorporating fruits and vegetables, packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants. Lean proteins, such as chicken, fish, tofu, and legumes. Whole grains, brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat products. Healthy fats, nuts, seeds, avocados, and olive oil. Limit intake of processed foods, sugars, and excessive caffeine to avoid energy crashes and maintain a steady level of productivity throughout the day. Exercise routines that suit a busy schedule. Regular exercise is essential, but it can be challenging to fit into a packed schedule. Here are some strategies. Yoga and Pilates. These practices enhance flexibility, strength, and mental clarity. High-intensity interval training. Hit short, intense bursts of exercise that can be done in 20 to 30 minutes. Home workouts. Utilize online resources for guided workouts that can be done without leaving your home. Consistency is key, so find an exercise routine that you enjoy and can stick to. Mental health and stress management. Acting and modeling careers can be stressful, making mental health care vital. Consider these techniques. Mindfulness and meditation. Practice daily to reduce stress and improve focus. Deep breathing exercises help manage anxiety and enhance relaxation. Sleep. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Professional support. Don't hesitate to seek help from a therapist or counselor when needed. Tips for skin and hair care. Your skin and hair are integral parts of your appearance and overall health. Here are some tips. Skincare routine. Tailor your routine to your skin type. Basic steps include cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and sun protection. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated and glowing. Hair care. Use quality shampoos and conditioners, limit heat styling, and consider professional treatments to maintain healthy hair. Balancing work and personal life. Striking a balance between work and personal life is essential for long-term success and happiness. Here's how. Schedule downtime. Ensure you have regular breaks and days off to relax and recharge. Pursue hobbies. Engage in activities outside of work that bring you joy and fulfillment. Prioritize relationships. Spend quality time with family and friends to maintain strong, supportive connections. By focusing on these areas, models and actors can not only enhance their professional performance but also enjoy a healthier, more balanced life. Prioritize your well-being, and success will follow naturally. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it. Hit that subscribe button and bell icon for more updates. Stay tuned for more great content. See you in the next video.